Yeah, I'm trying to get the. I found out that when you 3D print a part and you try to put a screw in it, it doesn't really hold. A mechanical screw that's a M3 going into the um, head 2 and head 3 of the Mark 1 I've been dealing with. But sit there and see when you put the screw in, I can get it to go in. See how it's in, and then when you lift up on it, it'll just come right out of the screw hole. And you got a screw hole on the back of it that it just slides out. So what we're going to do, we're going to take one of these screw sinks and try to be able to take the soldering iron and sink it into it. And this is my first time trying it, so you can sit here and see how it's done and see how it works, whether or not I'm about to screw this 3D printed part up or not. But okay, see what we got here. Got this here. I'm gonna put this, put it in. It's not really fitting that hole. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take it, and I got it synced up here. So oh shoot. Ow, shit. That was hot. Okay, it gets hot pretty fast. Don't try to touch it with your hand. I don't know where that one went to. Oh, get me a new one. No. Supposed to just melt it and go in. I know it's hot. Oh yeah. Getting it now. believe you're supposed to let it go right under the print. Be good. Trying another one here. See if we want to go work for it. Well, I broke it in the process of it. There, see? I was working on it. It just snapped off. I mean, I dropped it on the floor, so I'm gonna probably have to super glue that back on somehow. Yeah, but I think that's how it's supposed to go. I'm gonna let it cool off for a minute and then see what it does at that point. Well, yeah, it ended up breaking in the sinks. I got one to go in. This one right here, it acts like it wants to be good, but the other three, they just pull right out. I'm gonna end up having to hit it with super glue and try to super glue the other two parts that broke off of it back on. But this is about as far as I can take it for right this minute. But it does show that it's a good way to sit there and try to be able to get the screws to be able to fit inside the 3D printed part. So it kind of works, but still needs some work done. That's about as far as I can take it right now. Alright, bye.